check this out. The stars of the show are going to be our Sunray collection, but back to our oil slick. So when I apply these polishes, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply them like randomly. So I kind of noticed the best way to do this is swirling it, and this is the time you don't want to skimp on polish. I highly recommend applying more, just because if you apply too little, you're not gonna get that kind of coverage you want. And then you're just gonna go ahead and do something like that. Literally doesn't have to be any kind of special direction. It's so funny because it's so subtle for stamping, but the things that you can do, the way you can layer these polishes, there's just like a million ways. It is so easy and gorgeous. I cannot even tell you how much I love this.